It's all about celebrating you today, right? We're
I'm
celebrating
excited.
moms, and I like to start a celebration with a cocktail.
Ooh.
And that's why I have a master mixologist in the house.
Hello,
This
Hi.
is...
and happy Mother's Day in advance.
Thank you.
You cute, huh?
Very. Like a little gummy bear.
But you don't get me started.
No,
I have enough jokes with him already lined up. But this is my brother, Tyrone Benjamin.
Like blood?
No, but we kind of resemble her.
Yeah, that's what I was
we kind of
saying.
resemble her a little bit.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
kind of
yeah,
resemble her.
Food and drink.
Yeah.
That's nice.
But my little brother, Tyrone Benjamin, master mixologist, and he's going to create something crazy with us using Tropical Rhythms. This one is brought to you by Tropical Rhythms. Tyrone, I'm seeing you have an interesting flavor there.
Yes, so definitely.
That's
So
not my line, but you stole my line. I like how you steal my line with me.
yeah, I like that song. so back to Reggae Melody, right?
Reggae Melody.
Yes. So this one has flavors of banana, orange, pineapple, right? So
Fruity flavors.
yes, fruity flavor.
Nice.
Right? So Reggae Melody, right? So we're gonna call this one like the Reggae Radio Mix, something like that. Yeah, no? Yeah. Right? So let me jump right in and I'll explain while I do it. All right?
Okay.
So we're using some vodka. Hope you like vodka.
Yeah.
There's a nice neutral spirit. And this will actually highlight all the flavors.
Whitney, are you a drinker?
I'm a lightweight. I like to drink, but it doesn't go down too well after 2.
So you only have one drink today?
No, back in 2. Back in 2. Once you cross 2, it's a scene.
Well, there's a nice hefty drink,
Right.
right? And I know you say it's a mom and you're working, so there's a nice drink to relax,
Nice.
you know?
To unwind.
Yes. So we have the Reggae Melody, and I'm gonna add 2 ounces, or maybe 3. And to sweeten this, I created a roasted pimento syrup. Where I
A
took,
roasted pimento syrup.
Yeah.
So he's come up with his
Yeah,
crazy
but at first, I was honest to
concoction.
God, I thought it was a centipede soaking in rum.
yeah, it have that. Centipede, scorpion, baby snake. Yeah.
But this is roasted.
Yes.
So it's pimentos roasted.
It's sweet.
Yeah.
It-
It's a
yes.
syrup, yes.
It's a syrup. So what I did, I put some pimentos on the grill.
Right.
Get it nice and charred.
Right.
And then I had some sugar and some water boiling. Throw it in, like simmer for like 20 minutes, and boom, roasted pimentos.
You need to do a syrup course with me. Because he does fantastic
Syrups.
concoctions, all sorts of
nice.
flavored concoctions. Yeah. The longer that sits, I think the better it will become.
Flavors will come out more into the
Well, you were
syrup.
smelling it really strong even before I
You
brought
are.
it on.
Yeah.
So yeah.
All right, so we have those 3 ingredients in there. What I'm gonna go now is ice up.
Fancy stuff, huh?
Yeah.
And now I'm gonna add some fresh fruits to this drink. Some nice citrus. So we're going with a whole slice orange, right? And I'm gonna add some lime.
You don't want it to be dominant as you
No,
said.
not
Yeah,
too
right.
dominant. Yeah. Almost like a sangria of some mango as well. All right, so you get some nice
Tyrone
starch
Benjamin, that's
mango.
starch mangoes.
Yes, some nice starch mangoes.
You only bring
You love starch?
How many you
My
brought?
mouth is watering.
I brought like 2.
That's not enough starch to bring. You take from the neighbor or that from
Did
the
you
tree?
leave the seed?
No, I didn't eat the seed.
No, not you. If you eat it, I want to know if you left it so I could.
Oh,
eat
of
the
course,
seed.
of course. We have the seed there. Yes.
You can have
There's
nice
a beautiful
mango. Like
mango.
that. Yeah.
I didn't know which one everybody loved, you know. Some people love Julie, some people love starch.
I love
You know?
both,
I love both.
Yeah.
I
Once
love
there's a
both
true
things.
Trini, yeah, for real.
Mango is mango to me.
Nice. So we have all those fresh ingredients, releasing the flavors there. So I'm just gonna add some crushed ice now to the top of this. And on top of this, we're gonna add a nice slice of lime to garnish. So the same ingredients we had in the drink, we just stick it to the top.
Right.
We can enjoy those nice fresh flavors. They're a little fancy here,
Very nice.
right?
It looks delicious.
Oh.
So
my
here I
goodness.
present for the lady and for you, sir.
So Reggae
Enjoy.
Radio Mix. Reggae
Tyrone.
Radio Mix. Tyrone, thank you very much.
Tyrone.
Enjoy.
She not stopping. She not stopping. She not stopping. She not stopping. Ladies and gentlemen, Tyrone Benjamin. And we are celebrating Whitney Husbands, guys. She is our celebrity mother in the house today. I'm rolling out a recipe next. Stay with us. Whitney, one drink for you.
Is that a peace sign or that's two?
It's happy hour, courtesy Tropical Rhythms. So different, so good together.